Welcome to Living Well with Chrystal. I have to admit, belly fat is the hardest fat in the body to lose. Sitting all day and eating junk, your belly fat will not melt away on its own. The best thing we can do is to eat healthy to lose overall weight and work on targeted belly fat burning exercise to shed the fat away and build lean muscles. In today's videos, I bring you this short and targeted belly fat burn exercise to work on your belly and waist to sculpt out your beautiful abs. We all know core exercise is hard, but no pain, no gain. Plus, you don't need to spend an hour every day to get the result. Just squeeze out 10 minutes here or there to do this no-equipment belly fat burn workout. It only has 5 key moves and 10 seconds rest in between with the stretch at the end. Before you even notice, it will be over. This could be your best way to start turning your soft, floppy belly fat to fabulous toned abs. Are you ready? Let's do it. Come down, lay on your back, knees bent. Start to walk your feet one by one. We're gonna give it a quick warm-up for 50 seconds. Pay attention to your belly muscle. Now start to tap your both feet together. Tap them further away from your hips, then tap back towards your hips. Try not to arch your lower back. You can put your hands on your belly. Your belly muscle should be firm and hard. You're using your belly muscle to drive the leg movements. Now rest. Our first key move is eagle crunch. Cross your leg at the knee. Left leg on top first, feet off the mat. Interlace your hands at the back of your head. Engage your belly muscle and lift up your head. Try not to put too much pressure on your neck for 50 seconds. Now rest. We are going to switch legs. This time lift up your upper body while your hands reaching out to the side of your shins. This reach will further exercise your lower abs, which are right underneath your belly fat. We're going to do it 50 seconds. Well done. Let's move on to our second move, leg dropping. Lay on the mat, legs straight. Inhale. Lift your both leg up. Exhale, lower them down with control. Hover above the mat and split your legs to the side. 50 seconds. Now rest. The third move is side twist. Sit up, straight back. Then lean back to the point you are about to fall back on your mat. Engage your belly. Start to twist your upper body to the left and right. Your feet can be in the air or on the mat. 50 seconds. This move is activating your obliques that run along the side of your waist. Have extra love handles to get rid of? Do this more often, can help shrink it down. Now lay down on the mat and rest. The fourth move is single leg lift and tap. Lay on your back. Use your belly to lift your head and shoulders. Start to reach your leg with your opposite hand while lower other leg down but above the mat. 50 seconds. Your belly muscles are engaged all the way through. This is a tough one for me. My belly is shaking like crazy right now. If this move is too hard for you too, you can pull your leg with both hands while lowering the other leg down. Now hold your both leg, flex your feet, and slowly lower them down with control. Our last move is forearm plank. Come down to your hands and knees. Elbows come down on the mat. Form a straight line from your head to your heels with the support of your elbows and toes. Engage your belly muscle. 50 seconds. You can also add some movements to increase intensity. Open your feet a little wider. Dip your hips to the side. Left and right. Left and right. Lower down your body, toes flat. We are done. How do you feel? My belly is totally worked out. Before I let you go, let's stretch out with Cobra Yoga pose. Lift your head and chest up, stretch up and lengthening your belly muscle. Hold it here and breathe. Then extend your arms and lift your hips up towards your heels. Child pose. Back stretch. Now sit back up on your heels, back straight. This is the end of the belly fat burn workout. Do you like it? Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more targeted body toning workout. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.